They say Butare is the intellectual capital of Rwanda.
What?
I'm about to put that to the test. Welcome to Elias Schools, where I've given myself exactly 5 months to move from Hello World to a fully functional startup.
No magic, no cheat codes.
Just 3 hours of power every day between classes,
A lot of coffee, and a senior dev in my pocket.
otherwise known as. My local gym needs a serious upgrade. I am building a parallel web application for my gym that handles membership registration, tracking everything from daily attendance log to real-time gym capacity. And then there's the
final boss.
Anyways, why manually log in when I can let my code do the heavy lifting, handling, registration, and tracking? Think about it. If I can't automate my payments, how am I really supposed to focus on my lift? I want you to think Uber, but for Rwanda's motors. The next project will cover a system that supports real-time maps where you can see available riders and a daily reward system in which riders and customers can earn commissions. So here's the thing, I'm a beginner, and even though I've worked with a little bit of code, building these projects is still quite a challenge. I will be using AI to do most of the heavy lifting during these projects. Before going further, I'd like to clarify that AI is a tool and not a means to replace actual skills. During the entire challenge, I will have to learn to code. That is, the syntax, the variables, and the logic. It also involves me fixing the errors and snapping AI back to reality if it ever hallucinates. So this is gonna be a 5-month documentary of the grind, not one of those YouTube tutorials or those videos where they teach you how to code. This is just the honest process of a student who's trying to build something that actually works. One video every 2 weeks, the wins, the crashes, the moments. Whether you're a student who likes to code, a content creator, or someone who's just interested to see me build something for the future, then hit the subscribe button to follow this amazing journey.